Breakthrough therapy designations, or BTDs, occur when a drug shows potential to substantially outperform existing treatments. The FDA awards it a BTD to speed up its development and review. Here's an example of how we trade them using LevelFields AI. Stoke Therapeutics announced a BTD on December 4th last year. The stock, which opened at $11.40 on December 4th, 2024, surged to a high of $13.80 by December 9th. This represents an impressive 15.9% increase, showcasing the typical post-BTD momentum. Things to consider. 1. Be mindful of profit-taking. As seen with Stoke Therapeutics, after the initial surge, some investors took profits, leading to a 12% pullback. Savvy traders can wait for this pullback and re-enter if they believe in the long-term potential of the stock. 2. The breakthrough therapy scenario is either a 1 to 2 day trade or a long-term investment requiring multiple year hold times. This long hold allows time for the drug to be FDA approved for marketing. 3. Check the float and short interest. Stocks with a low float, shares available to trade, often see exaggerated moves post-BTD announcement. High short interest can also contribute to a short squeeze, intensifying the initial spikes and subsequent drops. 4. A bad day for the entire market can delay the market's reaction to an event like this. If all eyes are watching the Federal Reserve for signs of interest rate hikes, no one is watching these BTD announcements. 5. Size matters. Unless the drug is a blockbuster, stocks of huge pharma companies won't register much of a reaction to a BTD because it only represents a fraction of its revenue. Using tools like LevelFields allows you to monitor breakthrough therapy announcements and typical price reactions as they happen. Users can customize LevelFields to ignore larger cap companies where a BTD might not impact the stock as much, focusing instead on smaller, more volatile companies. Additionally, you can set AI search agents to track these smaller companies with breakthrough therapy announcements 24/7, ensuring you never miss a potential trading opportunity.